If you want to turn off X, formerly Twitter, sensitive content settings and unblock potentially sensitive content, this video will walk you through it step by step. This is really helpful if your feed is hiding media you want to see, or if search results are still filtering out posts even after you change the main setting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure both your feed and your search results show the content you want. If this tutorial helps, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick software guides. Now let's get started. First, open your browser and log into the X website using the account you want to update. Once you're signed in, look at the left sidebar menu. You should see a More option, usually shown with a 3 dots icon. Click that to open the full menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account security and content preferences live. Inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Privacy and Safety section in the central Settings column. Click on that, then find Content You See. This section controls what type of media and posts X shows you across the platform. When you open it, you'll see a setting called Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Turn this on or check the box if it isn't already enabled. This is the main setting that allows sensitive media to appear in your feed. Now here's the part many people miss. Even after turning on sensitive content in the main feed, X can still block sensitive media in search results. So if you want the full experience, you need to change one more setting, stay in the Content You See area, and scroll down until you find Search Settings. Click on that. In Search Settings, look for the option called Hide Sensitive Content. Uncheck that box if it's enabled. This tells X to stop filtering out sensitive posts from search results. Once you make this change, your settings should save automatically. There's usually no extra save button needed, so you can just back out of the menu when you're done. To make sure everything updates properly, refresh your browser or reload the page. After that, your feed should be less restricted, and your search results should show more complete content based on the settings you just changed. If you still don't see the changes right away, log out and log back in, or refresh once more to give the platform time to update your preferences. And that's it. You've now turned off X-sensitive content filtering for your main feed and unblocked potentially sensitive content in search results too. It only takes a minute once you know where the settings are, but it can make a big difference if you are missing posts, media, or search results before. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more X, Twitter, or social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.